Hi there, in this clip I show you one of the recipes I do for oysters. So here, look how big it is. It's as big as my face. So I cleaned them and I put them in a bucket, and I put some hot water and leave them there for about 2 to 5 minutes for me to easy open them. And I use this little shaker, or I don't know, a little knife that you call it. I don't know what you call, what exactly you call it. And if you notice, I also use a glove, a thick glove, because they can easily cut you, and then they're very rough. So here on each shell I spread some mayonnaise. So mayonnaise, I think it's the key here. Mayonnaise and cheese. So mayonnaise, I don't add any more salt since they're salty already, and it's so your option to use some pepper as well. And I grated some cheese. This time is I use the Havarti creamy cheese, and you can use any cheese. I believe you can choose Gouda, you can use Friulano, cheddar of your choice, even mozzarella. But I find mozzarella a little gooey, chewy, and it's thicker. And I sprinkled some paprika over this just to have a very good color contrast. And while I was doing this, I actually prepared the oven for about 350 degrees centigrades, and I put the shells, the oysters, for about 10 to 15 minutes, not longer than that. Otherwise, they're gonna be chewy and also hard. So here's my family. They have a happy faces right now eating these oysters.